I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fuck. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, lil' slut?
YouTube, man, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Q50 Reggie. In today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we have something new for the Q, and it's sitting right here in front of me. I don't know if y'all can tell what this is, but these are side skirts. It's a 3-piece side skirt from Dreamizer. They sent it to me. Shout out to Dreamizer once again, because I don't know when I was going to get side skirts, but hey, man, they came in clutch. So we about to get these installed. First, we got to wash the car. The car dirty. I didn't wash it in like a month. From the last video, I think that's probably going to drop like tomorrow from the day I'm recording this video. So, yeah, man. We got the side skirts. They're about to go on. About to wash the car first. Yeah, y'all boys stay tuned, man. If you guys do want to order these side skirts for yourself, I will be leaving the link down below. I'm going to show you guys what they all come with. They come with screws. And then this is the 3-piece right here. So this all it comes with. But for double reinforcement, I'm gonna use these screws and I'm gonna use some 3M tape if I still have some. If not, I'm gonna have to run the AutoZone before I install it. But most likely, I think I do have some 3M. So yeah, man, always double reinforce your add-ons, man, because these will fly off easily, especially living in Florida. It's not easy, boy. So yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. I'm about to set up the camera, wash the car. I'm not gonna do a crazy wash. I just want to get like all these stains and stuff off. You feel me? So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned. About to set up the camera and get the car washed. Let's do it.
I tell I'm in a function, I don't know who to approach you. Too many hoes come around, it's like I'm at Hooters or something. Boo ass chrome heart jacket, lil' bro bullet himself. Can't even talk to the hoe, I make a fool of myself. Bad little hoe, she ain't never upset with me. Hit it so good that she thought it was 10 of me. Bitch come round, now the chance to get to me. Officer, I was just here incidentally. Big tank with it's no good for my chemistry. Stop fight back, I need something to defend me. Bad boy moving through life like Playboy Cardi. I'ma keep looking for Benjis. I don't think they'll ever get me. I ain't think you could forgive me. You know I could never forget this. You know you can never upset me. We ain't been the same since Texas. Maybe we should've let that die. All of this crazy texting. Baby, I need you to cut that out of my goldfish. She a snack, she smile, bitch. And it's not about them funds, boy. I'ma delete your contact. But he still living the B-Week crib. We run through it the long way. He stuck in the crib eating TV dinners. We eating something that's flambe. You can go ahead and take her back. She can explain herself. The one that's way up top, probably my favorite show. I'ma keep praying to God, I'ma keep faith out here. Yeah, I'ma take care of my guys and all of my family first. I tell I'm in a function, I don't know who to approach you. Too many hoes come around, it's like I'm at Hooters or something. Boo ass chrome heart jacket, lil' bro bullet himself. Can't even talk to the hoe.
Day 2.
YouTube, man, it is indeed the next day of the side skirt install. And I didn't put them on yet, because I was a little tired and it got dark. It usually, since we live in Florida, it's usually starting to get dark around like 5:30 now. So it got too dark and I didn't feel like installing it at night. So last night I just built them. I thought it was a 3-piece, but it's really a 4-piece. I put some bolts and washers just to like secure it. And I'm about to make a run to Walmart real quick so I get some double-sided tape, because this little roll right here not gonna do it. So I'm gonna get some thicker 3M tape. So yeah, man, I can't take the truck, so I gotta take the car. My car is still up on here, but it's all right. About to make a quick run around Walmart real quick, get y'all a little POV on the way there. Alright, y'all, so we back. We are on our way to Walmart. It's a little bit windy outside. I don't know if I want to roll the window up. Probably this one. It's windy as hell. But it feels good. The sun not out right now. It's actually pretty good weather. What the hell are they doing? Oh, just in the middle of the road? Nice. Nice. These people just in the middle of the road. Okay then. That's how we doing it. Welcome to Miami. Welcome to Miramar. I'm not gonna do a little pull, bro. I'm kind of scared. Ever since I got pulled over by that undercover red eye, bro. Did I tell y'all that in the last video? Bro, I got pulled over by an undercover red eye. He was the one that took my plane and all that. It was a tiny pull. Oh God. I love this car, bro. I love this car, bro. It feels so weird driving with the windows up, because I'm always driving with the windows down. I love hearing the car. I say this every video, man. I can't wait to get tuned, bro. When I get tuned, that's gonna be a whole different ball game. You're gonna catch me at the tunnel every video. Bro, I'm gonna be at the tunnels. I'm gonna be at the tunnels ripping that bitch every day, dog. I'm telling you right now. Every day I'm not at work. Late at night, 4 or 5 in the morning, I'm gonna be in that tunnel ripping it. It's a little bit of traffic. It's 3:57. Middle school just getting out. High school been out, I think. So yeah, I think it's really like middle school traffic. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, they going a little too slow, and I'm not risking it going around. But hell nah, cuz. Buddy rolls bumpy as shit. God damn. This shit got me twerking in this motherfucker. No homo, bro. God damn. Yo, shit. Oh, fuck. I was supposed to turn right. I'm tripping. Nah, I gotta turn right. Damn, I gotta turn right here. Yeah, go behind this Chrysler. Chrysler. Go, motherfucker! Let it rip like a fucking Beyblade. park in the back. Yeah. It's good weather outside. Yeah, I'm parking in the back for shit show. Bro, I love this screen, dog. Alright, y'all, so Walmart did not have what we was looking for, so right now I'm about to just grab me some cereal, man. Somebody damn near whipped out these open, bro. Only real Walmart shoppers know about these right here, man. These shit's way better than the original Fruity Pebbles, no cap, man. So I'm out there, I looked it up, I see AutoZone have it, so I'm about to make this quick run to AutoZone. Let me get up out of here, let me check this out. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I'm back in the car. Alright, y'all, so we secured it. It's the one y'all wanna get right here. 7, 8, 5 feet. Felly. Oh shit. Woo. Got my cereal, got my shit. Now we can go home and finish this bit. Let's go. Bro. Damn. Oh Lord. I had to run back to AutoZone to get some more 3M tape because I ran out. But we're on the way back to the crib and I seen that tough ass Ferrari truck. I ain't never seen one in person before. God damn, that bit nice. That shit nice. Well, alright, y'all boys, hold on, I'm gonna catch y'all. Alright, y'all, we are back. We have fully installed the side skirts. Can't really see it right now. I'm probably get a better video when I get off work tomorrow. But it's just a little bit big. I gotta cut this a little bit. Sit nice. It's just a little bit big. I'm gonna get a little saw and probably just cut it down a little bit so it's even. But it look good though. Make sure y'all got the side. When y'all doing y'all side skirts, make sure y'all take this off so it's even. It's usually like right here. So it going like right here. If you got a Q, go right here. So just take that off so it's a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? A little bit even. So yeah, like I said, I gotta cut this down a little bit. This shit is sticking out too much. I'm gonna try to get like a saw. I don't even know if I have a saw, but I'm gonna try to get a saw and try to get that done. But while I was doing that, my headlights started glitching out. So that's another thing I gotta look at now. So yeah, man. Y'all boys stay tuned to the morning. I'm about to try to see if I can see what's wrong with these headlights. And yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned. Good morning, YouTube. It is the next day. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I am super tired. And I'm actually supposed to be at work right now. Whoa, I'm actually not supposed to be at work. I thought I had work today at, like this morning, 7 to 3. But come to find out when I got here, I'm really scheduled from 3 to 8. So I was like, let me just finish up this video before I go back inside and go back to sleep, man. So I'm still here, feel me? So I'm about to go back inside. But I wanted to show y'all boys the side skirts to finish the product before I do so. So it look good. See what I mean by removing them a little cut thing and make it like a much cleaner, like make it look a little bit more even. So it look good though. Oh, excuse me, I'm tired, bro. But yeah, so you see, I got the duct tape just to like cover up the silver bolts. But yeah, it look good. See, I cut it so it's even. I cut it so that it's even. Bro, what is this? Bird shit keep getting on my damn car, bro. Ugh. That's fresh shit too. Like, what the fuck? Ew, bruh. It's fucking disgusting. Look at this. That's my little finger, bro. Chill the fuck out, bro. Yeah, this shit just pissed me off. Hold on, man. No copyright. So if I don't know, this station my Jackson still won't put a gun. Right. We ain't getting copyright, baby. But yeah, man, that's the finished product. I'm about to go back inside, man. My sinus is acting up a little bit. I'm kind of tired, man. So if y'all boys enjoyed the video, y'all boys like the video, y'all boys let me know what y'all boys want to see next on the channel. I'm about to go back inside, go to sleep. I'll do it. Should I do a little pull? I'm gonna give y'all a little pull. You know what I'm saying? Cause I fuck with y'all, man. We gonna do one pull before I go back inside. Come on, Cash. We ain't trying to get copyright, baby. But yeah, do a little pull before I go back inside. Go to sleep. I'm so tired, bro. Oh shit, I'm tripping. I ain't even see that was a stop sign. This shit's Mike Jackson still won't put a glove on. Oh damn, it's a little bit of traffic. Nah, ain't a little bit of traffic. That's a lot of traffic. God damn, dude. Traffic, man. It is almost 8 o'clock. So, you know, school is just starting. It's a Tuesday morning. Sheesh. Well, look at down there. It's starting to pile up. Alright, let's do it. Y'all ready? Set, go. Just before I go back inside till later. But yeah, man, if y'all boys like the video, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all boys let me know what y'all boys want to see in the next video. I'm about to go back inside, go to sleep, because I got work at 3, like I said. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned to the next video. I love y'all, and I'm going, man.
Oh, got too many people watching me. Bye.